burying these two trains alive. And no, I am not joking. I'm actually, this could land me in jail. But yeah, I'm gonna bury these guys alive. Hope you stored up some air in your coal tank. I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, mo to see which one I'll do first. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a poomy by its fat duck. I don't know the rest of the song. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Alright. Rosie is gonna be buried for what would feel like 24 hours, but it's actually not 24 hours. So, yeah. Lol. Anyway. She is gonna be buried alive for what feels like 24 hours. Alright? Okay. So, that's the final nail in the coffin for Rosie's for 2009 Rosie Wooden Railway. At least I think it was 2009. Anyway, now we have flower-covered Thomas, who is gonna go along with her. Mentioning homicide. Let's see if I can find them. Yes. Yes, I should. All right, now time to do the ultimate. Make these two trains bury each other alive. Thomas has gotten grip of Rosie, putting her in the. It's the final nail in the coffin, and Thomas wins. But can he survive the infamous ball? Yeah, I know you think it's gonna be something scary, but no, it's just a ball. Yeah. Anyway, Thomas, the blue onion is about to be taken out by a blue ball. How insulting! Darn it, missed. All right, let's get it in place. The blue thing, which if you were him would look like a boulder. Thomas is Indiana Jones. Thomas is faster than Sonic. Thomas is stopped and got ran over. Oh, how unfortunate. Which means he'll have to be buried along with Rosie, so they could die in the same place or whatever. Okay, that's all for today.